Secure launch command transmitted from National Command Authority.
Execute.
Verify sequence 47 Alpha.
Confirmed. Codes aligned.
Launch sequence initiated.
Launch sequence initiated. Keys turned. Launch confirmed. Liftoff sequence active.
During the impact, stress waves propagate outwards. In the rebound phase, this energy dissipates, causing the objects to separate. Sir, missile signatures confirmed. Red dots indicate probable impact zones in 15 minutes.
All batteries, initiate engagement protocols. I want targeting solutions now.
The Sarmat measures 35.5 meters compared to the Minuteman III's 18.3 meters.
Let's examine the key differences. The Sarmat boasts superior payload capacity and range.
Building an ICBM involves overcoming extreme hurdles, from the immense thrust required for launch to the precision.
A single warhead engages one target. In contrast, a MIRV deploys multiple re-entry vehicles. Higher speeds reduce flight time and increase the kinetic energy delivered upon impact, making interception nearly impossible.
The process begins with detection and tracking, but the true challenge lies in the engagement phase. Flying at Mach 5 or greater introduces hypersonic effects, intense kinetic heating, significant aerodynamic.
Strategic stability is the foundation, balanced between diplomacy and arms control. This maintains deterrence.
From the V-2 rocket in 1940 to the sophisticated ICBMs of the late Cold War. That's a confirmed hostile launch. Initiate response protocols immediately. Launch codes uploaded. Acknowledging the red trajectory now.
The authorization chain begins with an initial request, moves through 2 levels of approval, and culminates in the final launch authorization.
Silos remain the backbone of modern agriculture. They allow farmers to dry, store, and protect massive amounts of grain.
Intrusion alert. Activate countermeasures and seal the bulkhead.
Doors secure. Internal pressure nominal. We are stable.
As the missile reaches the apogee of its flight, the re-entry vehicles separate, each independently maneuvering to...
Models show unacceptable civilian casualties. We must consider the ethical fallout.
And what about the ethical fallout of failing to protect our interests?
Educational disclaimer. Important educational notice. This content is provided for educational purposes only and is not intended as professional advice.
Participants. From the initial designs of the R-36 Voyvoda, the Satan program evolved, culminating in a new generation of
Analyze the data stream coming in from the drones. We have multiple targets moving south. Bravo, I need that strike package launched in 30 seconds.
Circular error probability, or CEP, measures the accuracy of a guidance system. As the heat intensifies, we can observe the material's engineering tolerances being exceeded, leading to visible thermal stress and structural failure.
Why re-entry vehicles are cone-shaped, maximizing drag, dissipating heat, and ensuring stability.
ICBMs are primarily for strategic deterrence, ensuring mutually assured destruction, or MAD, if
readers. Utilizing hypersonic glide technology and AI-powered adaptive trajectory planning.
The global landscape sees unprecedented modernization in missile technology, particularly in hypersonic and
a three-pronged approach to nuclear deterrence, ensuring the ability to retaliate even after a devastating first strike.
Missile flight is typically broken down into three primary phases: the boost phase, the mid-course phase, and the terminal phase.
Hello there, I'm so happy to see you.
Findings. MI. In the turbine.